Are you looking to take your business to the next level on Instagram? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how you can create the ultimate business account in Instagram. To make it easy to understand, I have divided these topics into two parts. First is to create an Instagram account, and second is to convert the personal account into the business account. If you already have personal account on Instagram, you can convert it into the business account by directly following the second step. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and click create new account, and here you have to write your business name, which will be shown like this in your Instagram account. So let's write our business name. Here you have to put your secure password for Instagram account. After that, click next. Now if you want to save your login information in your Google, then click save. I will save it. Now here you have to put your date of birth. After that, click next. Here you have to enter your username for Instagram, which must be unique. After that, click next. Here you are given two options to sign in, with mobile number or with Gmail account. I will sign up with Gmail account, so I will click here. Here you put your Gmail ID and click next. And here you have to put the verification code that you get in your Gmail account like this. Let's copy and paste here, and click next and click I agree. If you want to add picture of your company, then click add picture, but I don't want to, so I will skip it. Again click skip and click here. Now your private Instagram account is ready to go. So let's convert our private Instagram account into business account. Click edit profile and click switch to professional account. Click continue and click continue. Here you choose which business you have. I have restaurant, so I will choose restaurant and click done. And here you are given two options, creator or business. If you are a creator, tick creator, and if you are a businessman, tick business and click next. Again click next. Here if you want to give phone number, business address, and if you want to display it in your account, then click here. Or if you don't want to give this information, then click next. If you want to connect your Facebook account with your business account, then click login Facebook, or you can click skip like me. Our business Instagram account is ready to go.